All right, ang litra ka. So again, we'll continue on with mas pateño with this letter ka, and just get the feel like with the others, okay? Cuarta, caldero, calamay, kahoy, kalayo, kadi, kahon, karton, kabayo, kamatis, ka, kita, kuha, camino. And for the example sentences we have for this letter k, right? Ka, damo an alpog hali sa kamino. Timahon mo an kamatis kag sanlatoy. Mainit an kalayo. Kadi na, oras na san pagkaon. Kung igwa sin kwarta, damo na bagay, an imo magbabakal. And the last one, kinahanglan naton ang kalamay agod makahimo sin santan. All right. Now with these sentences, I'm hoping that you're starting to get like the feel of some of the sounds of the Masbateño language. Like for example, the second to last sentence, con igwa, right? Con igwa ka sin kwarta, damo na bagay an imo mababakal. Okay, there's this kind of like a like kind of like a kind of sound, but just again with most of these letters, get the feel for how it sounds and the flow of the sentences, because when we move on, or yeah, when you start moving on to the grammar and starting constructing and speaking, you'll start to get to see the tones, the intonation, and how the how this language is going to be sounding.